Another day, another unboxing. This was one of my birthday gifts. This is a perfume box, and these are all testers. Let's open. This idea is so genius. Shout out to Foshini for coming up with it. So there are 11 samples in here, and you get to try all 11 of them. You go in store and purchase a full perfume of the sample that you love, like 100 ml of the perfume that you love. This is what the box looks like. The perfume is already paid for. The first one you just redeem the voucher in store, and then the second one you get 50% of the perfume. There are a few scents here that I don't know. I love this Burberry perfume, and I love this Issey Miyake, the Guess Iconic, but I'm excited to try others, and then I get to decide which perfume I'm gonna pick. I get the scent that I want instead of somebody choosing the scent for me, because perfume is that personal. Like, you can't choose perfume for someone. I realized that I got 3 extra testers, which is this Guess, Kylie Jenner perfume, and the Elizabeth white tea. I already know what this smells like, and once I've settled on a scent, I'm gonna take you along and we buy that, and we get the second scent with 50% off.